In this video, we'll guide you through how to switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini on your Android device. Gemini is Google's newer AI-powered assistant designed to provide more advanced responses, creative help, and improved productivity features. The good news is, you can always switch back to Google Assistant later if you prefer. Follow these steps. Swipe up on your Android phone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Then tap All Services. Scroll down and select Search, Assistant and Voice. Scroll down and tap Digital Assistants from Google. You'll see the option to choose between Google Assistant, Gemini. Select Gemini. Confirm by tapping Switch or use Gemini. That's it. Now when you say Hey Google or use your Assistant shortcut, Gemini will respond instead of Google Assistant. If you ever want to switch back, simply follow the same steps and select Google Assistant again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials.